Let's begin.
Greetings, everyone. This is Group 4 from Agricultural Economics. We're going to analyze data in Google Spreadsheet, and everyone is going to introduce him or herself as we go along. Thank you.
Welcome. Let's begin with the first question. Magwaza. Joseph, are you there?
Am I audible?
Yeah, we can get you. Yeah.
Okay, so for you to open a new workbook on Google Spreadsheet, you firstly open your browser and go to Google Sheets. You sign in with your Google account.
Done.
The positive blank sheet option to create a new spreadsheet.
Done.
After that, you can rename your file by clicking on Untitled Spreadsheet at the top.
All right. What's the name? The name should be
You can write it as students' data.
all right.
So
Done.
you can enter your data into the cells like by putting the variables in the columns and the observations in the rows, or you can either import it.
Okay.
Finally, you can enter the sheets by clicking on the positive sign on the bottom left of the spreadsheet, and you can rename them.
All
Thank you.
right. You're welcome, Joseph. Question number 2. Who is taking us through?
Okay, so number 2, we're looking at the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP and give an example. So first, we'll look at the definition of VLOOKUP. So a VLOOKUP is a Microsoft Excel that search for the value in the column of the table and returns the corresponding value for another column. So in this case, we're going to have an example of a VLOOKUP. So paste the data to row number 6. Yeah. Paste the data starting from row number 6. Then row number 5 it should be village number. Yeah, like that.
Wait a bit. I should get the data from. I think we are facing a problem of copying the data. We are going to write it manually. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
write it.
from. Okay. Yeah, if you know what's on the reg number, you can provide us with the reg numbers.
Yeah, so example, reg number, we have 21,04,079.
Mm-hmm. I think for time's sake,
2410
let me just provide some hypothetical ones for time's sake. Yeah, on the names.
So on names you can also put some names: Trevor, Nico, John, Julie. then GPA. So we assume GPA of those students.
Yeah, assumption has been done.
Okay, so we're going to have another table. In this case now, we'll match the reg number and GPA. So write a reg number of 1 students. So in this case, we take the first reg number of students on row number 6.
All right, done.
Done? Yeah, so from there, now we're going to have a function of VLOOKUP. So it will be equal sign, then VLOOKUP.
All right, equal sign VLOOKUP.
Then search key. In this case, you click on the reg number of the first reg number for that second table.
Yeah, F6 comma.
Yeah. Then in this case, we use dollar symbol, so it will be dollar A, then dollar 6,
Done.
then colon, colon dollar C, dollar 10,
Done.
comma 3, comma false, then close.
Should we hit enter?
Then enter. Yeah.
0.2.
So that's it. Then you fill the whole column for reg number.
Done.
Yeah, same on the GPA. So the GPA for the students will also be the same for the first table. So that's how a VLOOKUP. Then you go to XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP will use the same table. So you just copy the whole table, then paste on row number 15. But before we proceed, let's look at the definition of XLOOKUP. So it's just a function in a Microsoft Excel that search for the value in both row and columns of the table. Are you done with the
Yes, I'm
definition?
done.
Okay, so then we're going to have another table for X lookup. You write reg number and the GPA. So you press the first reg number of the students down on the reg number of the second table.
Done.
Okay, then down from the row number 15 on GPA column G, we're going to have a function. In this case, will be equal sign, then X lookup.
Done.
Then search key. In this case, you click on the reg number or first reg number.
Done.
Then comma $A,
Done.
$16,
Done.
colon $A, $20.
Done.
Comma $C, $16.
Done.
Colon $C, $20.
Done.
then close, and enter.
Enter. 0.2.
Yeah, so that's it. So you fill the table for each number, then for the GPA.
All right.
Yeah, so that's how the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP is being done. Thank you.
You're welcome, Nicholas. Let's go to question number 2.
Number 3 should be number 3.
All right.
So it's Joseph Magwaza again on question number 3. So question number 3, it is we are supposed to paste students' data on the second sheet. So what we'll do is we'll open the students' data
It's been
and
opened.
copy
Copied.
and copy. Yeah. And then you click the positive sign at the bottom left of the spreadsheet to add another sheet,
Done.
and then you can paste the data there.
Pasted.
So you can also click the drag down sign on the sheet 3 to rename it to students data.
All right.
In so doing, uh, we have answered task 3. Thank you.
Thank you, Joseph Magwaza. Next question 4. Who is on the
Well,
fourth
I'm
question?
Brenda Banderamaro. I'm Brenda Banderamaro. We want to rename column headings to short phrases. So what we normally do, we go to the column headings. We try to write the shortest form of the headings. Like on column B, are you willing to? Can you go to the headings? Are you willing to participate? Just write participation.
All right. Done.
Yes, in column C, just write gender on the heading. Just write gender.
Done.
Column D, just write, it should be family type. And
Done.
column E, the heading should be, column E, the heading should be occupation.
Done.
And we continue to do the same with the rest of the columns headings. Thank you.
Right. You're welcome. Who is taking us on the next question?
It's Anderson.
All right.
You can see your screen.
Yeah. Wait a little bit.
So here we're trying to create a pivot table and charts. So once you're ready, we'll start with the. Okay, you can see the screen now. So when we want to create a pivot table, we go to our, can you go to the raw data that Brenda was working on? We
Yeah,
highlight it
this is the this is
and
the data.
yeah,
Highlighted.
we highlight it and go to insert and we select pivot table.
Done.
Then you, you go to create new.
Done.
There you go to your far right where we can add rows now. Add row, then you go to program.
Done.
Once the program appears, we also add rows.
Add the columns, right?
We can also add columns. Yeah. Then there you go to gender. We add gender.
Done.
Once the gender pops up, we will also go to add values for the gender.
Done.
I've lost your screen. Once we have added the values for gender, then now that's our pivot table.
All right. Thank you.
Though I've lost your
You can see the screen.
presentation, that yes.
All right. That should always share maybe.
Then we share. Then we move to how to create charts now.
Are you able to see the screen? The rest of the team,
Yes.
are you able to see the screen?
Yes, we can.
Now click anywhere in the table. Click anywhere in the table. Then you go to insert. Insert. You select chart. Then we can select the type of chart that we want.
All right. In this case, we have selected the column chart, the one that is appearing on the screen.
Great. So we can give a title to that chart.
All right. Let's go to customize chart axis titles. Chart title should be students what?
Can apply, please.
Students
Then
programs across what? Students what? Across programs. Is it preference gender, right? So it's gender across programs. Yeah, it's done.
Great. So we can also create another one. We can also create another chart.
Okay.
Same steps. You set, then you go to charts.
All right. This is the second chart.
Once it pops up,
we can
yeah,
also
we can
change the type, right?
So we can also check, yeah, or even we can change the type of chart we want.
All right. We are now using the stacked column chart.
Great.
And even the title
so we
can also
also
be
add a title to it.
Yeah, let's just copy the other title, the title from the first chart to the second chart. There it is.
Good one.
Thank you, Anderson.
So basically that's how we can come up with a pivot table and charts.
All right, you're welcome. Who is next?
My name is Julie Nkungura. I'll take you through the creation of a pivot table for relevance rating under mathematics and computer science across the programs. So we'll use the students' data. We'll highlight the data and then we'll go on insert and click on
Insert.
pivot table. Insert a pivot table.
Yeah.
And then we select the range. So our range in this case is beginning from column G to column M.
Okay.
Yeah,
Created.
and then yeah, we'll go under rows and click on add. There we'll select program, we'll add another row
Yeah.
and select relevance for mathematics.
Done.
Yeah, and then we'll move down to values and click add. So on values, we'll add relevance for mathematics and relevance for computer science.
Done.
So that's our pivot table showing the relevance ratings for mathematics and computer science across all the programs. Thank you.
You're welcome, Julie. Who is next? Tim, who is next? Who is tackling the other question after Julie?
Thanks, Magwaza.
Sorry, just to ask, Julie, were you tackling task number 6?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah, it's Joseph Magwaza again, and I'll be taking you on task 7 on how to create a Hitman map. So basically, you highlight the data range that you want to visualize. For our case, it's the data that's on rating on mathematics and computer courses. After that, you should click Format window.
Done.
After clicking Format window, you should choose the conditional formatting option.
Done.
And after that, it will show at the bottom right, it will give us format rules, whereby we choose the color scale.
Chosen.
There, we can select a color gradient. For example, we can choose red for a low scale and the green for a higher scale.
All right. Ready for lower scale. And
For that, and green for higher scale.
okay.
And you can now click done to apply the heat map. And you can also adjust the colors if needed, just for the sake of clearer interpretation. But for now, we can just leave it like that.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Joseph Magwaza. Who is next?
My name is Anne Gaunda. On this task, we are going to create a new sheet and we are going to input data on African countries with their petrol and diesel fuel prices in dollars. So we're going to copy the final data from the Excel that we wrote.
The data has been copied for fuel, both petrol and diesel.
Okay, so you're going to rename it as Africa fuel prices.
Done.
Yeah, so that the sheet that is showing the fuel prices. Thank you.
You're welcome, Annie. Nicholas?
Yes, it's Nicholas Mbewe again. I'll take you on how to create two maps of different prices of fuels across Africa countries. That's fuel on petrol and diesel. So in this case, we're going to first to create this first map of country against petrol. So you highlight.
Done. Hello?
Then charts select. Yes, I'm saying go to insert, then select charts.
All right. Here.
Then on your right side, on your right hand side, uh, choose the charts map. Choose map.
Has been selected.
Yeah. So from there you go to customize. Then geo. Then you select. Since we're dealing with Africa, then select Africa.
Africa has been selected.
So here, so if you can click one of the country one of country in a Africa map, it will show the price of petrol in dollars in that particular country. So we can do the same on the diesel, the price of diesel across Africa countries. So in this time around, we'll select the countries against diesel.
All right.
So we'll skip petrol. Yeah. So we'll go to insert again. Then charts. Yeah. Then we choose the chart type.
Geo
Choose
map.
chart type.
Selected.
Yeah. Then map. Then you go to customize.
So it says incompatible data table. Let me retake that.
Okay.
Yeah, now we are right on point.
Yeah, you go to customize. Since we're dealing with Africa, so want to choose Africa, not world. Yeah. Click there. Yeah, so you can click any country in the map of Africa. It will show you the price of diesel on that particular country. So that's how we can create two maps based on the price of petrol and fuel across the Africa country. Thank you.
Welcome, Nicholas. All right. The last question is will be taken by myself. My name is